Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Monkey Builds. It's finally here. We've got our 2.5 inch mandrel bent DEA Performance mild steel exhaust. Oof, that's a mouthful. It's here, it's ready to go. We're going to be fitting it today. So essentially, we've opted for the HOTDOG center muffler instead of a muffler delete. Reason for this is we don't want the car to be too loud and obnoxious, and these HOTDOGs, they flow right as is. So we'll be fitting this up today. We're going to do a before and after clip just of the sound so you know what it's like, and hey, it's going to be a good day. Beer o'clock finally. So it was a very quick install. Honestly, probably took me about 15-20 minutes, and that's because I was mucking around a little bit with it. Pretty happy with it. It's got a reasonable sound. It's not too loud. It's not going to drive me nuts. One thing I did find was that the tail shaft center bearing is completely kaput. So I'll be looking for a replacement tail shaft rather than changing out the actual bearing assembly itself, because, well, A, it's going to be cheaper and possibly easier to find one on a low K car that's in better condition. So that's something I'll be looking for, and as soon as that's done, we'll be back off to the drags. Guys, thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the content today. If you do enjoy what you're watching, please subscribe. There's going to be plenty more. We're going to be doing more on the Navara, and there's going to be a lot more happening to that Mustang soon. I've got a whole heap of parts, I just need some time. So bear with us, there will be more content, and if you like it, well, subscribe and you'll see more of it. Take care, guys.